Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to destigmatize tonsil stones. Adam and I started posting tonsil stone videos on the internet over 5 years ago, and we've seen literally thousands of comments. Some of them are intelligent, well thought out, and poignant. Others are clever or funny. Others come across as ignorant and rude. Let's address the latter, because having tonsil stones is quite common, and frankly, it isn't all that problematic. Meanwhile, take a look at some of the year's biggest tonsil stone videos, like this. On a side note, never use your dirty fingers to remove stones. I recommend a lighted medical pick, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. So just how dangerous are tonsil stones? Well, based on what I've read, they aren't dangerous at all. Again, check with your medical provider for information about your tonsils, but I've yet to see any medical literature stating that tonsil stones alone are dangerous. They can cause bad breath due to a sulfur smell that they possess, but ultimately they have no real major side symptoms other than mild discomfort. Now look at this fan submission. Rosemarie pulled all of these out of her right tonsil. She even says that there are a few not pictured. It's the biggest goldmine of tonsil stones I've ever seen. So I've seen people comment that people with tonsil stones are dirty, that they have bad oral hygiene, and that they are generally unclean. But frankly, there's no evidence of that. In fact, tonsil stones may be a sign that your tonsils are functioning correctly. Very little is actually known about the true function of the tonsils. The lesson is that tonsil stones aren't the worst medical condition. Adam and I have made it our mission to destigmatize many common medical and dermatological problems. So let's destigmatize tonsil stones. That way we can begin frank and productive discussions about the condition. So click like if you agree. And thank you again for subscribing. To our notification squad, thank you 10 times over. You're the reason we make videos, and we love your support, and thank you for accepting us. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.